So I realize that our meteorology has gotten so much better, especially because we use the LRC, right? So wink, wink, nod, nod to us. We do a great job. But they didn't have a lot of warning with that storm in 66 and some of the others that came. What's changed? Have our models improved so much? How are we getting that much better at figuring out what's going to happen with the intensity of some of these storms?
A lot of it has to come down to computers and being able to run numerical computer models based on what the weather conditions are at a current at a certain time. So back in the day before the computers, one, they weren't able to obtain all the information that we can today. And even today, there are things that we still have to make assumptions on because it's just impractical to get the actual data to make your forecast even that much better. They did all of it with hand analysis. They would literally connect the dots of the pressures or the sea level pressure across the United States, and based on their understanding of how these large scale synoptic scaled features move, they would predict where they're going to be at and the outcomes that would come from it. So really it was all hand on hand analysis, hand math, and there's a lot of room for error when you do that.
I bet.
You're
And,
also your
you know,
forecasting
as
window is only a couple of days.
Oh, that's very true. Now, you've got folks that are saying, how come we're getting so much snow in March? This is not unusual. I know we're at the tail end of March, but here's a little fun fact for you. The Farmer's Almanac forecast for the Mid-Atlantic region in 1997 to 98, which was a traumatic time for this region with all the snowfall we received and henceforth the flooding in Fargo. But the Farmer's Almanac said coastal snow will not occur until late winter, if at all. The actual weather for that time period, 5 inches of the region's 6 inches of total snowfall did not arrive until after March 20th, the first day of spring.